Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Option A Rahul Gandhi, B Narendra Modi, C Amit Shah, D Rajnath Singh. The correct answer is option B Narendra Modi. What is the capital of India? Option A Mumbai, B Kolkata, C New Delhi, D Chennai. The correct answer is option C New Delhi. Who is the current President of India? Option A Ramnath Kovind, B Draupadi Murmu, C Pratibha Patel, D APJ Abdul Kalam. The correct answer is option B Draupadi Murmu. Which is the national animal of India? Option A lion, B tiger, C elephant, D leopard. The correct answer is option B tiger. Which is the national bird of India? Option A peacock, B sparrow, C parrot, D crow. The correct answer is option A peacock. Which is the national flower of India? Option A rose, B sunflower, C lotus, D jasmine. The correct answer is option C lotus. Which is the national game of India? Option A cricket, B hockey, C football, D kabaddi. The correct answer is option B hockey. Which river is the longest in India? Option A Yamuna, B Ganga, C Godavari, D Krishna. The correct answer is option B Ganga. Which Indian state is famous for tea garden? Option A Assam, B Gujarat, C Punjab, D Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, B Subhash Chandra Bose, C Mahatma Gandhi, D Bhagat Singh. The correct answer is option C Mahatma Gandhi. Which festival is known as the Festival of Light? Option A Holi, B Diwali, C Eid, D Pongal. The correct answer is option B Diwali. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Option A Jaipur, B Delhi, C Agra, D Bhopal. The correct answer is option A Jaipur. Which state is the largest in India by area? Option A Rajasthan, B Madhya Pradesh, C Maharashtra, D Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option A Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Option A Goa, B Sikkim, C Tripura, D Manipur. The correct answer is option A Goa. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Option A Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, B Rabindranath Tagore, C Sarojini Naidu, D Subhash Bose. The correct answer is option B Rabindranath Tagore. What is the national currency of India? Option A dollar, B rupee, C pound, D yen. The correct answer is option B rupee. Which Indian state has the largest population? Option A Bihar, B Uttar Pradesh, C Maharashtra, D West Bengal. The correct answer is option B. Which sport is most popular in India? Option A football, B hockey, C cricket, D tennis. The correct answer is option C cricket. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C Sardar Patel, D Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is option B Jawaharlal Nehru. Which monument is called the symbol of love? Option A Red Fort, B Taj Mahal, C Qutub Minar, D India Gate. The correct answer is option B Taj Mahal. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Option A Hyderabad, B Bangalore, C Pune, D Chennai. The correct answer is option B Bangalore. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Option A Vikram Sarabhai, B APJ Abdul Kalam, C Homi Bhabha, D C.V. Raman. The correct answer is option B APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Option A Punjab, B Haryana, C Uttar Pradesh, D Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option A Punjab. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Option A Dolphin, B whale, C shark, D crocodile. The correct answer is option A dolphin. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Option A Mount Everest, B K2, C Kanchenjunga, D Nanda Devi. The correct answer is option C Kanchenjunga. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Option A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Karnataka, D Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option A Kerala. Who discovered India by sea route? Option A Christopher Columbus, B Vasco da Gama, C Marco Polo, D James Cook. Correct answer is Vasco da Gama. Which day is celebrated as Independence Day in India? Option A 15 August, B 26 January, C 2 October, D. 14 November. The correct answer 15 August. Which day is celebrated as Republic Day? Option A 15 August. Option B 26 January. C 2nd October. D May 1st. The correct answer 26 January. Who was the first president of India? Option A Rajendra Prasad. B Jawaharlal Nehru. C Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. D Zakir Hussain. The correct answer is option A Rajendra Prasad. Which Indian state is famous for backwater? Option A Kerala. B Odisha. C Goa. D Gujarat. The correct answer option A. Kerala. Which Indian state is famous for Sun Temple? Option A Odisha, B Bihar, C Gujarat, D MP. The correct answer option A Odisha. Konark Sun Temple is located in which state? Option A Odisha, B Tamil Nadu, C Rajasthan, D Karnataka. The correct answer option A Odisha. Which Indian river is called the Dakshina Ganga? Option A Krishna, B Godavari, C Narmada, D Kaveri. The correct answer option B Godavari. Who founded the Maurya Empire? Option A Ashok, B Chandragupta Maurya, C Bindusara, D Harsha. The correct answer is option B Chandragupta Maurya. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Option A Ashoka, B Shahjahan, C Aurangzeb, D Babur. The correct answer option B Shahjahan. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Option A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B Subhash Bose, C Nehru, D Lal Bahadur Shastri. The correct answer is option A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which city is called the City of Lake? Option A Udaipur, B Bhopal, C Srinagar, D Nainital. The correct answer is option A Udaipur. Which Indian state is famous for Bihu festival? Option A Assam, B Kerala, C Odisha, D Bihar. The correct answer is option A Assam. Which state celebrates Durga Puja most grandly? Option A West Bengal, B Odisha, C Bihar, D Assam. The correct answer is option A West Bengal. Who wrote Bande Mataram? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, B Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, C Subhash Bose, D Gandhi. The correct answer is option B Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which is the largest desert in India? Option A Thar Desert, B Sahara, C Gobi, D Kalahari. The correct answer option A Thar Desert. Which Indian state is famous for Taj Mahal? Option A Uttar Pradesh, B Rajasthan, C Delhi, D Gujarat. The correct answer is option A Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state is famous for Kathakali dance? Option A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Karnataka, D Odisha. The correct answer is option A Kerala. Which Indian scientist won Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930? Option A APJ Abdul Kalam, B C.V. Raman, C Homi Bhabha, D Vikram Sarabhai. The correct answer is option B C.V. Raman. Which Indian state is famous for sambar and dosha? Option A Tamil Nadu, B Punjab, C Gujarat, D Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A Tamil Nadu. Which is the national fruits of India? Option A apple, B mango, C banana, D orange. The correct answer is option B mango. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Option A Calcutta, B Mumbai, C Delhi, D Pune. The correct answer is option A Calcutta. Which Indian state is famous for Run of Kutch? Option A Gujarat, B Rajasthan, C Maharashtra, D Punjab. The correct answer is option A Gujarat. Which Indian state is known as God's own country? Option A Kerala, B Goa, C Odisha, D Karnataka. The correct answer is option A Kerala.